Let's head to Belgium, where five-time 100-meter world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is optimistic about performing well at the Brussels Diamond League meet on Friday. Fraser-Pryce will be returning to action after withdrawing belatedly from the 100 meters at the last Diamond League meet in Lausanne with a hamstring concern. Now, she will line up in the event in Brussels alongside world 200-meter champion and compatriot Shericka Jackson on Friday.
Time of the season to have like a contraction or a niggle in your hamstring, something that you're very aware of. And I think I went to Bellinzona, I was in Bellinzona, and I got some treatment for a couple of days, and I think the last 2 days have been very optimistic. I was able to sprint, and today I'm looking forward to going back to practice and see how everything is. But I think it should work out well. It's not 100%, but again, I'm optimistic.
Fraser-Pryce and Jackson have already qualified for the final of the 100 meters, which is slated for Zurich on September 8. Now, on Friday, they'll face off against the American pair of Sha'Carri Richardson and Alia Hobbs, as well as Ivorian Marie-Josée Tallou. A total of 7 Jamaicans are slated to compete. World Championship bronze medalist Brittany Anderson and Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapper will line up in the women's 100-meter hurdles alongside Olympic champion Jasmine Camacho-Quinn and former world record holder Kendra Harrison of the USA. World Championship finalists Candice McLeod and Stephanie-Ann McPherson, well, they'll compete in the women's 400 meters. And Rochelle Clayton will contest the women's 400-meter B race.